In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fiscal dates table in Power BI using the CalendarAuto function. This skill is a great addition to any Power BI toolkit as it allows you to generate calendar tables automatically, aligning with your fiscal year, an essential step in organizing and analyzing data effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Power BI. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official Microsoft website. Having Power BI open, you'll find yourself on the home screen, ready to begin creating the fiscal dates table. Head over to the Modeling tab, which is located on the top menu bar. In the Modeling tab, you'll immediately notice a section where you can click on New Table. This is where we are going to build our fiscal dates table. Clicking New Table will open up a formula bar where we can input our code. This step is crucial as it sets our workspace for creating the automated calendar table. Now, it's time to type in some code. To create a fiscal dates table that automatically adapts to your data, we'll use the CalendarAuto function. The CalendarAuto function is particularly powerful because it dynamically generates a range of dates based on the date values within your model. It's a simple yet effective command that will save you time and help avoid errors associated with manually entering dates. In the formula area, you need to input your formula. Type CalendarAuto, which will generate a table encompassing the smallest date to the largest date present within your data. If your fiscal year starts in a month other than January, you'll need to specify the month as an argument within the function, such as CalendarAuto 7 for a fiscal year starting in July. It's important to remember that this approach makes certain assumptions about the starting month of your fiscal year, so be sure to adjust it accordingly when working with your specific datasets. After entering the code, press Enter to execute it, and Power BI will then create a new table reflecting your date range. Once your table is created, you can confirm its accuracy by checking the date range represented in the table. Ensure that the table spans the correct number of fiscal periods and covers all necessary months. This will help ensure your data analysis is on point and that you can reap the benefits of precise, time-based insights. This straightforward method of creating a fiscal date range using CalendarAuto streamlines your setup process and enhances the capability of your Power BI dashboards. By taking control of your date tables, you can better tailor your datasets to the unique fiscal calendar needs of your organization. Therefore, creating these tables is not only a time saver, but also enables more insightful analysis by clarifying the timelines in your dataset. Thank you for watching, and with this guide, you should now have a solid foundation for creating and manipulating fiscal dates tables in Power BI.